Okay, so it's not.
Okay, I found LushLoom on Instagram, and it was very interesting to see how you can change your sofa in few steps. So the appearance of your living room and the colors, and so I tried with a small sofa having a secondary room, and it was amazing because it was completely new and soft, and the price were amazing because with that price you can't find a new sofa nowhere. So after I tried with my small living room and my small sofa, I found out that I can do even my main living room, and I changed from fabric to leather. This is actually a very nice sofa from a very known company, but the fabric was old, was ruined, was I didn't like it anymore, even the color. So I changed my sofa with a very small amount. I can't even buy a pillow here in Dubai. So I'm very happy, and I'm suggesting actually to everyone to try this company because they are very fast, the prices are competitive, and they are very kind, and they understand very easily your needs, and even the shop it's very nice to see. It's very in a very easy to find. So yes, I suggest this company to everyone, and you can actually change the appearance of your living room with a very small amount.